Okay, hey guys. This is the game we'll be trying to survive, Sons of the Forest. Now we have played this game before and finished it, so the clips may be short and choppy, but I thought I'd have to take you guys along for the ride. For those who don't know what Sons of the Forest is, I like to refer to it as a scarier and more realistic Minecraft, but it truly is an amazing and one-of-a-kind game and one of my absolute favorites to play. I don't play a lot of games, but this one is one I will always hop on. So let's go ahead and hop in. I don't think that's a smart idea, buddy. See? See? Yep. He's dead. Definitely dead now. The graphics are crazy. This looks so much better than the last time I played this. Pick that up and then pick this up. Hello, bitches! Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, we are having some technical difficulties with my proximity chat. But in the meantime, I'm gonna fix this stuff. Yeah, boy. And then we're gonna do this instead. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. I don't need to be holding this, but that's okay.
Can I tell you something?
Can you hear me? Did you have me muted?
Yeah.
You bitch.
I'm about to kill myself now. Do I sound any better?
Not really.
Because I just turned myself down a little bit. Keep talking.
Hello? 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 Hello?
No, damn, I'm trying to test the proximity.
Sorry. Hello?
Keep talking.
Can you hear me? 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 Can you hear me?
Hello? I got my walkie out. Cause I can't hear you no more. Can you get your walkie out to test it?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
I'm so excited.
Okay, let's go to sleep.
Alright, get your walkie off. Please. Yeah, I can hear you though. Oh my god, I fucking hate myself for that.
How do I put this
I knew it
away?
was light bulb. Just change something different. Do you know something really good about playing in PC? You can set different items to different numbers.
Yeah, I know.
So like, yeah. So I just pull out my axe or something.
Mushrooms.
Oh my god. I hate myself for that for real though. Look at the bright side. We found your headset now. Your actual headset. Can you throw shit?
I just tapped Q to put it away, and then if it's like a rock or something, you just tap Q and it'll throw it.
Oh, mine's G, I think. Yeah, G.
Oh yeah.
I just tried to throw it to a raccoon, I could not. Kelvin, catch this. Oh!
Why did you do that?
Ow! God, take this!
Oh wait. Yeah. I just found some yarrow, baby.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, no, wait.
You're here. Hello? Who do you find?
I found yarrow.
Jara. Oh, the plant. Alright, I need a drink. I'm glad we weren't playing hard because we would have died of starvation and shit.
Already? I'm like only halfway.
Yeah, but I've been on this whole time when I'm trying to figure it out.
Oh.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, let's find a place.
Hey, I got a little leg.
Wait,
Messed
I
up in the
think
fuck. Uh-huh.
there's a cave up here somewhere.
Yeah, if you look at the,
You know how
at the
I
map,
know?
it shows over here. Well,
This is where we built our first house playing this game.
first house here.
Up there
Oh,
on
like
that
right up
pond.
here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We did.
Fireweed for poison.
Yeah, I'm doing it right now. Are we getting hit?
No.
Or is that
I'm
just
digging
you?
up a tree.
Like, yes, the audio doesn't sound the best in the game, but I kind of like it. Why are you laughing? Why are you making that? Are you trying to do what I think you're trying to do? Yep. I'm just gonna... I think you missed. Haha, you missed. You know what's even funnier? Turn around. I think I missed.
Virginia.
Oh damn. Take away your weapons! How do I take away my weapons?
Should I throw a rock at her?
No, we want her team.
Stop jumping, you're gonna scare her.
From jumping?
Look, you done ruined it. You done ruined it.
I think it might have been you trying to throw a rock at her.
I put my rock away. Oh yeah, look at this, boys.
But you said it. No, don't do it! Don't do it! Ow! Hey. Hey, come back! Is there an auto phone?
You know what? Let's... Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Oh, actually.
I don't know what that means.
Oh, wait. I was gonna make... I don't have any tape. Oh, no. Do you have any tape?
Are you trying to make spears?
Yeah.
Because you're really good with spears. Yes, I do. How many do you need?
I just need one. I'm just gonna make one for right now. Unless you have more than
I
one.
give it to you. I have more than one. I have 3. I can give you. Give you. I love one because I love you. Thank you.
Equip this bad boy.
God damn.
Okay. Let me make a few more actually.
So where do you want to live this time around? What is that yellow icon?
in my pocket. Whoop, whoop.
Spears? Spears? That's a lot. I think you are better at the spears than me in this one. In the forest, I was a little better, but I kind of suck at this one. Alright, let's find a home. A place to call home. Alright, lead us the way. Where do you want to live?
I don't know. I kind of want to... Maybe, down this way where, like, this little river thing is. Oh, what's that
Sure.
orange thing?
Look at the map. I have no idea. I think it might be one of those crosses.
How do you zoom and stuff?
Middle mouse button.
Ah, there you go.
Because if you look at the whole map, we're gonna be very close to the edge. But I don't mind
Do you
anything.
want to
That's very
stay
cool.
in a spot close to a bunch of caves or away from the caves?
I don't mind. I kind of just want it to be somewhat flat.
Okay. Let's just explore for a little bit. For the content!
For the content.
Oh wait, everybody freeze for a second. Oh shit!
Damn!
Where'd it
God
go?
damn! Oh my god!
Where'd it go?
Damn! God! Oh my god, that shit almost hit me!
Where'd it go? Where's my damn spear?
I'm fucking terrified I found it.
You found it?
I'm keeping this one.
Okay, you can keep it.
God damn!
Purple flowers! Look at the purple flowers!
I gotta pick them up for you.
You can't. They're not pickable.
Yeah. Oh. I'm picking up the horse.
A horse tail. Yeah, there's a bunch of that around here. We need to go in a place that has like a lot of chicory and yarrow and stuff for health purposes. Oh, there's some down there.
You know all the colors and stuff. I have no idea what I'm looking at. Picking them up though.
Yarrow and chicory are white.
Oh.
Devil's Club. Bam, bam.
Hopefully
Bam,
you can see
bam.
that.
Bam, 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 bam. I'm getting all this shit. Ooh. Okay.
Trying to think of where we could live, honestly.
There's a body over here.
This is beautiful. Oh my god, maybe not that beautiful. Wait, can I drink this?
Probably, but probably not.
Oh, I'm a little poisoned.
Yeah,
This
I need
is
to
that.
drink something too. I'm getting hungry. Hungry.
Oh my god. Killing this quick. Fucking scared me.
Gotta work for that. You know what we should have done while we were over there at that spot that we were at last?
What?
With that big pond and shit, is we should have fished. 'Cause I'm gonna go hungry.
It's okay. As long as we find a place to settle somewhat quick, we should be fine.
You coming?
Yeah, I'm right next to you. I feel like the proximity chat should be a little wider than this. This is kind of like crazy. I feel like whenever we have a home, we're still gonna need a walkie-talkie to talk to each other.
Okay, we need to find...
Well,
A
it's
lake.
advised to stay away from roads, but I kind of want to be in a road, so we could just drive off with the
Ooh,
go-kart.
that. Ooh, get that motherfucker.
Are we hunting?
Oh my god, my mouse sensitivity. Shit. Can't see anything. Out of breath. Hold up.
Yeah, same, a little bit.
Alright, we're coming up on like a lake thing. Nobody
What is it?
move.
Is it a fish?
Oh my god, I'm missing. Oh,
That one.
I got
That's
two.
it.
Three. I have 3 fishes. Yeah, boy. This seems like a perfect spot for me, but we're really, really close to a road.
Are you cooking them bitches?
Ah! Ah!
Why the hell would you do that?
I don't know. 3 to 4. Doing good.
Okay, you can only hold 3.
Alright, I'm gonna start.
Okay,
Wow.
so
Yes?
here's my proposition.
Yes, I'm hearing you out.
Right here.
Alright, fuck it. I like it. I like the river.
It's close to a road. The river is a good source of food and water.
Should we live on this side?
Ooh,
Upper or
or-
on the other side?
Or, hear me out, hear me out.
Uh-huh.
Okay, wait, first let's build a fire and cook something real quick, because this is crazy.
Do you got it?
Yeah, I'll build a fire.
Okay, okay. Wait a damn second. What happened to all my fish? Wait. Wait. What happened to all my fish?
Did you pick them off the end of your spear?
No.
Are they in your inventory?
No. Fuck.
Here, it's okay. Stop trying to hurt him. Eat a damn fish and calm the fuck down.
You might need to check out on COVID.
Oh my god. Give me that. I'm trying to get the spear out of you. Don't shake your head at me.
I'm sorry, bro. I've never been this mean to you, but... Here, hold up. So what was your proposition? Live a little higher, or what?
Well, there's a rock formation up there. I was thinking maybe on that.
I don't know what a rock formation is, but I think I know what you're talking about, so I think I know. I think I agree, if that's what I think it is. I'm a big boy,
Okay.
I'm eating
Take that
too
fire.
hard.
Beat it up.
How do you stop
beat
it?
up the fire. Oh my, you're on fire!
Ah! Ah! That was a setup. That was a setup.
Okay.
You set me up, huh?
I did not set you up. You're just dumb.
Hey, don't be mean to me.
See, maybe
So is
up
it
here.
up here? Oh wait, we're going into what the yellow thing is.
Oh, cool. Then we can live there.
Depending what it is, but yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, this is... Oh, it's the crosses to dig up. And we can leave them there, and it could be like a little graveyard, because I doubt there's anything underneath there other than rope and cloth and shit.
Yeah. Could we break it if we wanted to, though?
No.
Oh. Then it has to be our graveyard. That's okay.
But this...
I like this. Because it
Like,
could be
look.
beautiful.
It's perfect.
Oh, I love it. What do you think, Kelvin?
He
I
doesn't
don't
like
think he
it.
likes it. You sure about that, Kelvin?
Hey, Tony, if you don't stop.
Are you gonna do poke me with it? Okay. He doesn't like us fighting here.
Hold up. I got it. Get
What? What do I say? Okay, there you go.
logs and drop here. Don't walk away from me. I was talking to you.
I think he just got an accent.
What the hell is that?
Did you tell him what to do?
Tony! 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 Tony, get over here! I found the orange dot.
Oh my god, you're walking so loud. What is it?
It's a
Oh, it's a
GPS.
tracker.
And a note. Gordon. Puffton refuses to acknowledge what this place is, not even counting what my team has been finding on the other side of the island. Surveyors going missing, our workers turning up dead. If he won't deal with the situation, I will. Gian you.
Can I tell you why I'm laughing at you?
Why?
Look at me to the side. This is how you were reading. Do you need it any closer?
Yes. Leave me alone.
Hit
And
hit
guess
that
what?
toolbox.
And guess what?
Cave?
Well, bite.
Oh, this might be a loot cave.
No. You better hope so, because I ain't got nothing more than a spear and an axe.
I got an axe, so I'm low. Wait, do I got medicine? I don't think so.
There's a skin pouch.
Oh my god, it's dark as shit in here. Skin pouch. Some bones. Cloth. Already into our first cave.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna live very long, honestly.
God.
Wait, where'd you go?
Further deep in. That's a whole spine, by the way. Wait, this goes up.
Oh, I feel like I
go
remember
straight.
this cave.
Was-
Maybe.
Oh!
You are echoing so bad in here. It's so bad. Okay, awesome. It's a blueprint.
The walkie-talkie's bad with you. It's just loud. Hey, come up here.
I'm stuck, okay. Wait, why didn't we go up?
Oh wait, can I pass it?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. That's where I was trying to go.
I see a light.
What the hell?
Oh! Okay.
Yeah, I'm going back.
Yeah.
Get back in the cave! I heard oh!
I heard it
That
too.
shit scared me.
But yeah, this is perfect. This is
I'll be right back.
Where are you going? Oh.
I got us a gift.
A body to put on the fire.
Hello? Hello?
Are you getting a body to put on the fire?
No, but that sounds like crazy. Also, I wonder why your walkie-talkie is so much louder than, like, in person.
I don't know.
I don't mind it, though.
Okay, what are we gonna build, guys? Let's see. Bam. Bam. Try to connect those somehow.
Pulling up with?
You did not already find a golf cart, and we haven't even been in the game for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, it was right over there, and I think it might have been leading to a cave, I can tell.
Okay, turn this shit off.
Yes, sir. Here, I'm gonna park it like, a little further since we're going.
Ah! That's me.
Sorry. Pedestrians don't come first here. Wait a damn second. Has Kelvin always been able to pick up 2?
Yeah, no, he used to be, when the game first started, he used to pick up 1, and then they updated it to where he could pick up 2.
What? When?
A while back.
No, when we were playing, he wasn't picking up 2.
I know, it was sometime after we finished the game.
Well, that's how would you know?
Because I remember us talking about it, and we thought about doing it again.
Oh, that's right.
Hey, let's chop down some trees for him to pick up.
Yeah.
So I have an idea of what to build.
What's your idea?
Give me 1 second.
Take your time.
And then I'll come over to you.
Timber!
Well, that's not gonna work like that, Tony.
Yeah, 2 were rolling down the river. I got them though. Alright, so what were you thinking?
These aren't gonna work here, we're gonna have to build them the other way. They're coming up shorter. But
What were you
anyway.
thinking?
I took out 2 of your posts because they weren't gonna work there. They were coming up too short, so we're gonna have to build it the other way. But I was thinking we have something overlooking this cliff, like what we're building right now. And then also back here, like behind the crosses where there's another little ledge, we build something and then zip line them together.
Wait, repeat yourself? Sorry.
Oh my god. And then we build another thing back behind the crosses where there's another flat spot on a ledge, and then we zip line those 2 things together.
Okay. Also, I think we should actually start with the foundation.
So instead of just up, we do a little foundation, no?
What do you mean foundation?
Like,
Yeah,
building this.
I feel like that's a waste of logs.
We need like, I'm telling you, like we need a foundation though. We can't put floors on this.
It's gonna be up.
Okay.
On stilts, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the bottom of our needs for storage or something.
Okay, so this is the foundation.
Thanks, you're very late.
So you came over short?
Yeah, when you went over here, onto this rock formation right here, they got you.
Oh, this one's too short too. These ones right there, it's kind of like,
Oh yeah. We're gonna have to stack on top then, that's fine.
we can do that though. I think so.
Or we can build stairs right there.
Yeah, like a rampy thingy.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Let's
Or
do
we
it,
can,
let's do it.
push the house back just a little bit off the edge and put it here instead.
No, I like the fact that we can see it. Oh my god, wait,
Well, if it's that high up, you can probably see it, you know?
wait a second, maybe we push it further in. Cause look, it goes lower.
Yeah, maybe. No, because that's lower than that one, I think.
No, okay.
Because you still have to build in here.
You moved the one that you don't know, so wonky. Oh my god!
Get smacked, buddy.
Yeah, I got fucking smacked for real.
Well, no, because now it's... What the fuck?
Well, we can always just close it in here and then here, but then this causes that problem, so... I'll lead your way. What do you want? This way? No. My bad.
We'll figure it out. I'm just gonna chop down some more trees.
It's okay. Like you said, we'll figure it out. So I'll take down the ones like that I did extra, cause I do agree. Okay, what the fuck? This is getting ridiculous.
What?
How the fuck is this one so much taller?
He can't hear me. That's crazy.
This land looks so flat. Robin, are you getting attacked? Oh my god, you just threw rocks at it. Yeah, I join you. Get back! Get back! This is doing circles around you. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Fucking bitch. Come on, bitch.
Guess what?
What?
Got his ass. Got his ass. Yeah, this is. Oh my God, there was one hiding in the basement. This is ridiculous. I'm
Alright,
scared
we
of
need
you,
to
buddy.
set up a tarp
I ain't
for
scared of
him.
nobody.
Here, wait!
Slice and
Oh.
dice.
Wait. Come here, you
Yes.
little shit.
I think I scared him off. I think I hurt him really bad. Sorry.
Put your walkie up. Damn.
I can't when you're far.
Where are you? We're right
Right
here.
now I can barely hear you. Also, you see what I'm saying? Why is yours so loud on the talkie?
Why is yours so loud on the talkie-talkie?
Talkie? The talkie?
Okay, see what I'm saying? What the fuck? I think
Maybe we should
we
build
need
back here instead, because this is more flat than that is. That kind of
well,
divots.
I think honestly, if we make a small foundation and then do this, I think it would be so much better. Like it would probably fix it.
Yeah, I guess. Let's go ahead and take all these up.
Just don't take the outside ones. Don't take the outside down. Don't... Damn it.
Okay, but what
I'll
about
make it.
these ones over here? Oh,
Oh yeah, take those out. Take those out. Those where I messed up. Unless you want to extend that way, but
watch out, Kelvin.
we need to make him build the lock holder. He's just moving the ones that's already on the floor.
Okay. Let me put one down somewhere.
What are you doing over there?
I am...
Oh, building the log foot. Okay, my bad.
For right now, we'll put it there, and then... Calvin, where are you? My boy, where are you? Oh, Virginia's here.
Who's here?
Virginia.
Is that why he ran? He's fucking booking it.
No, I think he's getting logs. I don't know what he's doing. He's on crack.
Yeah, he is.
Hello, Virginia. Sorry.
Damn, she calling you ugly.
Kelvin! Go put those up first. And then I'll build a tarp and we can go to sleep.
Sounds good.
What is he doing? Where is he going? Where is he going?
He's standing right next to you.
Build. Oh, I couldn't see him.
Oh, you good.
Finish structure.
Good.
Yeah, go finish that, buddy.
For free.
Okay, I'm gonna put this tarp down over here by the grapes. Bam. Bam. I don't have any sticks.
Oh, hold up. I think I'll make. I got you. Whoa, whoa! How did you get it stuck? There you go. Alright, come on, go to sleep.
How do I get out? Oh, exit. Okay.
Sleepy, sleep, 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 sleep. There you go. It wouldn't pop up. God! Hey, on my eyes! Jesus Christ!
Crazy.
That's insane. You wanna go any wider than this?
No, I think this is fine. It should be okay.
We can always extend it later. Fuck. She just appeared out of nowhere.
And then you just
Deep
lift it.
enough? This one.
You son of a bitch.
Alright, lift it.
Couldn't you just go like this?
Yeah, I just didn't know if it was a 2 because we have a whole bunch of 2 cut. That's still a 2. I mean a 3. That's a 3. I think that should also be a 3 cut. So I'll do that.
Oh, that should be a 2 cut. It's a little bit
Is it?
higher. A half
Okay.
log.
Nope.
That's a half log? Oh, so maybe
Yeah.
it was a 3.
I
Do
know
you
we
have one?
definitely need a...
Or should I just do it?
No, just do it. There's no 3s. Find you.
What the? Why did it sound like that?
Beat him up! Beat him up! Ah! Come here! God damn it!
Oh
Yeah,
shit, I'm
escape.
gonna die.
Some more logs though, what the hell? They're across the river.
We need food! We need food!
Oh my gosh, scared me. Are you gonna get some fish? Oof. Or no? Oh, I think you're already gonna go get fish.
Yeah, I'm also like dying of thirst too, so I need a lot of stuff.
We need to find a pot. Take this raccoon.
We haven't really went out and done anything yet. We're trying to build like a base first.
Yeah, I have that issue a lot. I always go for bases. I like building bases.
Oh,
It's a little wider.
okay.
What happened?
I was looking for fish and I
What I said,
thought I saw a rabbit floating in the water, but it was a dead body and I stabbed him in the butt.
Oh.
Okay, there we go. Fish, finding some fish, finding some fish.
Bam, bam.
I see them.
Peace. Bam. Bam,
Oh my god, I am insane. It's juking me so bad. Okay.
Yeah, when it's a fish, I miss a lot too.
Yeah, boy.
Help, Binky, I'm starving. Help.
I'm gonna need to drink something. I need something to drink.
It's not gonna be good for you.
It's okay.
Yeah, we need a pot so we can boil the shit out of it. I guess we could go and try to find one since we got the cart. It won't take that long, I think. What is that noise?
Swimming.
Oh, is that what it is?
Maybe.
Sounded like somebody was coming in through the golf cart. I thought I was gonna get a fucking shot at or something.
Oh, logs. 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 I'm bringing some logs home.
Nice, go.